100 BBQs! Everybody's out on the internet smashing their burgers, but not us. We're chopping them. We got some chopped cheese going on tonight.
Yeah.
Start off by caramelizing those onions a little bit on the pan. Then we got our burgers on there. Gonna sear them on both sides, get them nice and cooked. At this point, they're looking juicy and tasty, but we're not gonna eat them yet. Now it's time to chop them up. Chop those babies. We're throwing on some American cheese today. You melt it on, you throw it on a roll, and there is no better food you could possibly put in your mouth than a chopped cheese. Pickle relish, mayonnaise, ketchup. Those are the things you want on any burger, especially your chopped cheese. Watch how the cheese gets intermixed with those burger crumbles. Man, that is good. Here's my biggest piece of barbecue advice. Quit smashing, start chopping, baby. Everybody's flipping out from my chopped cheese. Really good.